20th century and its projected continuation. According to the 2007 Forest Assessment Report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the IPCC, global surface temperature increased by 0.74 to 0.18 degrees Celsius in the middle of 20th century. Most of the observed temperature increase since the middle of the 20th century has been caused by increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases, which result from human activities such as the burning of fossil fuel and the deforestation. While there are many natural causes of global warming, these causes do not account for the extra warming we are currently seeing in our planet. The current warming is anthropogenic, meaning it is created by humans.
The primary way humans cause global warming is by burning fossil fuels. This increases the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which leads to an increase in the greenhouse effect. Since the Industrial Revolution, humans have been using fossil fuels to power machines. Now, nearly everything you consume, every product you buy, and many of your daily activities involve the use of fossil fuels. You contribute to global warming. Every time you drive a car, carbon reach out exhaust enter the atmosphere.
There are several causes of global warming. It is important to learn about what is affecting our world. Global warming is a very serious threat to our way of life. Deforestation is another significant source of greenhouse gases because fewer trees means less carbon dioxide conversion to oxygen.
Deforestation is the clearance of forests by logging and burning trees. Deforestation occurs for many reasons. Trees or derived charcoal are used as or sold for fuel or as a lumber, while cleared land is used as pasture for livestock, plantations of commodities, and settlements. The removal of trees without sufficient reforestation has resulted in damage to habitat, biodiversity loss, and aridity. It has adverse impacts of biosequestration of atmospheric carbon dioxide. Deforested regions typically incur significant adverse soil erosion and frequently degrade into wasteland.
One of the causes of global warming is natural causes. Natural causes are causes that are created by nature. One natural cause is the release of methane from Arctic tundra and wetlands. Spread of disease. As northern countries warm, disease-carrying insects migrate north, bringing plague and disease with them, warmer waters, and more hurricanes. As the temperature of ocean rises, so will the probability of more frequent and stronger hurricanes, increased probability and intensity of droughts and heat waves. Although some areas of water will become wetter due to global warming, other areas will suffer droughts and heat waves. Economic consequences. Most of the effects of anthropogenic global warming won't be good, and these effects spell one thing for the countries of the world: the economic consequences. Hurricanes cost billions of dollars in damage. Disease costs money to treat and control, and conflicts exacerbate. Global warming raises the overall temperature of the climate, which causes glaciers and polar ice caps to melt and water to expand. This causes sea levels to rise much more rapidly than they have in the past. Forest fires. As global warming increases, it is predicted that most of the regions will see a decrease in rainfall. As a result, it creates drought, which could cause forest fires. Temperature. It rises, and changing landscapes in the Arctic Circle will endanger several species of animals, and only the most adaptable will survive.